work, dedication, hard work, dedication. All work is easy work, nigga. This ain't no Photoshop.
It is the final channel zanera alongside SPV Graphics and of course Upcloud apo ejenga manti jiteke kusimu muganda wange chali wange buladi wange Palaso loko down yo mutamye.
I hear nobody say this Photoshop. This no Photoshop, nigga. This all the time and work I put in.
Ngude ka video kanonga yechanga gamba bamutave muloko down yasoka tusabule ngoma. Mwana mlenzo ono. Omuziki gwabadde akukubidde ddala okuva yakuba akomererwe nawe oluyimba ne Don MC oluyimba baba yaye oli ngoma nungi nnyo ayagala tuve mu lockdown eno mbwato sabule ngoma alabika ina nyingi zatutegekedde naye katukuwe Palaso omulabeko nga naye agamba wayi ye lockdown emumenya.
I hear nobody say this Photoshop. This no Photoshop, nigga. This all the time and work I put in. Hard work, dedication. Hard work, dedication. All work is easy work, nigga. This ain't no Photoshop. This got no price. No matter how much money you have, you can't go to the store and buy this. This you gotta work for. This is money, nigga. All you see out there is money, nigga. We wake up and get that shit. All work is easy work, nigga. I'm ready for you. Are you ready for me? Set us free. Set us out of this lockdown, nigga. We got music. We got hits. Nothing but hits and we look fresh, nigga. Tell them, nigga, you can't buy this. This is not Photoshop. This is all I'm saying, nigga. Get to your gym and start getting that work, you dig?
Msajja akobye ekyuma ndowooza ye yagamba ebyokubeera ano mu lockdown ngejjegeje mimeremere sijja bisobola byakubeera nga zanero nze kankube ekyuma ne mwana Palaso nange ngenda tandika okuba ekyuma we naddayo okukola ka video menga nange nkuta msajja akoze nyama sebo. What do you have to say about Palaso's workout and the music? Comment yesobola okubeera awo wansi tulabe omusajja ddala engoma agirina oba engoma kya agirina. Zanero alongside SPV Graphics and of course Upcloud, we sign out.